Ugh, water everywhere. Damn, the kayak's toast. Okay, get up, assess. Forest looks thick. Shelter. Where is everyone? This can't be happening. The compass is broken. I have to keep moving. The cliffs look steep. Maybe there's shelter in the forest. I need to find cover before nightfall. Oh, my head. Where am I? The trail. I have to find the trail. Ropes intact, gear scattered but usable. Okay, time to move. The trail must be this way. Damn it, still dead. Hello, Kenneth? Hear me? Hear me? Have to be moving. I think I've lost them for now. This backpack is done for. I need to find shelter before dark. Okay, let's test this frame. Ah, this joint is loose. There, much better. Come on, you heavy beast. Almost there, just a bit more. There, solid ridgepole. Shelter's coming along. Layering branches now for the frame. Almost done. This should hold up. Gotta get enough to fill these gaps. There, that should hold the warmth. There, sealed tight. And solid as a rock against this old giant. These larger branches should keep it going. There we go, nice and warm. Just through these trees. There it is, crystal clear. Time to dig a seepage well. It's working, water's seeping in. Time to check these. Leaf serration and vein patterns match. They should be safe. Tarpa edibles. Food. Busy will be's perfect. Key. This pine tree has a hidden food source, its inner bark. See the white cambium layer? It's edible and nutritious. It's empty, must have slipped free. I'll reset it further down the trail. Curved one will work as a rabbit stick. Now to practice the throw. Good hit, that'll do. Let's get this done. First to clean incisions. Careful now, don't rush. There, almost done. A few small ones, but it's a good start. All right, water's here. Now to get this vessel set up. This should boil soon. I need to stay hydrated out here. There it is, rolling nicely. Wood. Layer in charcoal, sand, and moss. Pour the water in the top. Clean water drips out the bottom.
Verfiltern, es sicher zu trinken. Gut, die Flasche ist voll. Das sollte für eine Weile reichen.
All right, let's get these beauties cooking. These green sticks will hold up nicely. There we go. Dinner's on. Now for the fish. All right, let's get this stirred up. Time to add the fresh vegetables. Just a little water to deglaze. Perfect, now for the stew. All right, let's see if you're cooked through. Ah, perfect. The flesh flakes right off. A fine meal in the Highlands. Use of these wild edibles. These greens will go perfectly on the hot stone. A complete survival meal from the forest. This framework will dry it out over the fire. This should last us a while now. Tonight. There, that should be enough for now. Time to insulate this bed properly. Layering the leaves helps trap warm air. A few more handfuls should do it. There, much warmer and more comfortable.
Need to rest. Just a moment. Careful, Nashna.
Need to follow it before I lose the light. Come on, just a bit further. Can't go on like this. Need to rest. Oh, my feet are killing me. Let's see the damage. Blisters everywhere. I need to keep moving soon. An old logging road. This could be it. I knew it! This is the way out. Just a bit further now. Oh, this climb is tough. Come on, just a bit more. From this ridge, I should see something.